Hello and welcome to another video. I thought I was pretty much done making videos for YouTube, but since May last year I have not made one video and I haven't touched the car. It's just sat in the back. So once a year I go around and do the headlights. Today I thought I'd do them again. I always use the Meguiars headlight restoration kit, so I thought, hey, I'll just do a video of me doing the headlights and then showing you how it comes out. This is what I use, Meguiars one-step headlight restoration plus. Basically, it just comes with the little tub of the plastic stuff, and then you get the the woolen head on the drill there, and you go over the light, and it actually just all by itself, that is enough to get the headlights really good. If you have a quick look at this time lapse that I've done, you'll see that that's pretty much all I need. But it does come with two pads, sort of numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 1's quite a high grit, number 2 to 4 are lighter and lighter. But yeah, it's just a quick video, cracking review that I have to leave for this because it does the job spot on every single time. Have a quick look, see what you think. If you're interested, I've started compiling the video clips which I've done on new tyres and new wheels, which I've finally got on the car, so that'll probably be the next video if I get around to it. If you're interested, subscribe and then you'll probably see that pop up soon. Lenses are now super duper clean, but they reveal all of the chrome corrosion happening on those rings. Fingers crossed that was as an exciting and epic video as all the others. Thanks for watching if you got this far.